day 8, I think. Swapped out this for the CT1. It fits better. Put on a new one of these. Got the airbox all hooked up all the way down. Did a lot of tidying. For now I'm using these just to keep things in order the way I want them to. I got the, you can't see it, but right out of under there, I got the wiring harness, the front part up and out, and just for giggles, I fit everything into the box just to see if it would work. Got the battery cables on there too. And let's see if it starts up. Okay, the wiring is such that I can kill it with the key or the kill switch. Still smoking with that stuff in the gas. It's pretty much starting up first pull. Isn't that cool?